raised over here. Wow. If you think things are not weird at the moment, then take a look at this. This is not, I am not changing the colour or anything on this video. This is the sky at the moment. Now it is getting close to sunset, but this is real. That is real life. We are living in pink at the moment, and it is quite weird. And this is how it appears out the front of our house. I'm not flushed because I've drunk too much wine. I've had a little bit, but not too much. This is real life. This is how it is here in Bairnsdale. This is just totally weird. Very strange. Oh, wow. It's just peculiar. It really is quite unique. I'm actually enjoying our weird weather at the moment because it creates some, wow, it's fascinating. I wish we would get some rain to go with the whole thing. We maybe overnight we might do that, but this is just really, really strange stuff.